I think the road we're on was the river.
Yeah, it's like feet of silver just out there. And, you can see it on the road.
Someone's house?
Driving.
Oh yeah, love the mud. Don't want to get stuck in there.
A lot better.
Okay, this bridge, respect. Like, how did it survive? I mean, look at all this junk on it. Look at all that.
Trees are literally wedged into it. That's
Right up to the top of the bridge.
Okay, how do we get under this? Do I have to go to the right?
Yeah, just
All right, I got to do four-wheel drive. Right, roll your window up so you don't get any power cables in the window.
pretty fun. Oh, you see, that's where I'm talking about.
That's where we are. All right, here we go.
That's the dangerous stuff.
That's where you don't want your car to be nice. Ooh. Okay. Thank you, whoever did this. I'm going to ignore that stop sign.
Oh, yeah, no stress.
Wave.
Bunch of Latinos.
They got
More
they
power.
tactically acquired some gas for the vehicle.
What does that mean?
I think this hillside washed away on it to our left. Can't see it from this angle, but earlier it's sheer and just gray mud.